In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see what pages people visit most using Google Analytics. First, open your Google Analytics account. Make sure you're looking at the correct website property so the data reflects the site you want to analyze. Once the property is loaded, we'll head straight to the built-in reports that surface your top-performing pages without any complicated setup. On the left-hand side, click Reports. This section gives you ready-made views of your traffic and engagement, so you don't have to build anything from scratch. It's the quickest way to see which content is drawing the most attention. Next, go to the Generate Leads area. This is designed for sites focused on capturing interest and inquiries, and it pulls together the reports most relevant to that goal. Inside this section, choose the landing page report. Landing pages are the first pages people see when they arrive on your site, so this view shows you which entry points attract the most visitors. You'll typically see columns like views, users, sessions, and average engagement time. The top rows reveal your most visited entry pages. Use the page path or title to recognize the content and note engagement time to understand how long people stick around. If you want to look beyond entry pages and see performance across your entire site, open the Pages and Screens report. This shows all pages people view during their visits, not just the first page they land on. It's useful for spotting popular articles, product pages, or help content that gets a lot of ongoing traffic. The same core metrics appear here, helping you gauge which pages get the most attention and how engaged visitors are on each one. At any point, adjust the date range in the top right corner of the report. Pick a recent window, like the last 7 days, to see what's trending now, or extend it to the last 30 or 90 days for a broader view. Changing the date range can reveal seasonal patterns and help confirm whether a page is consistently popular or just had a short-term spike. That's all you need to identify your most visited pages in Google Analytics. Open your account, click Reports, head into Generate Leads for the landing page view, and use Pages and Screens to see overall page performance. Finish by setting the date range that best answers your question. With these reports, you can quickly spot what's working, prioritize updates, and plan new content based on real visitor behavior.